So I'm Casimir, Vice President for Digital User Experience and Connected Services. So the main idea of e.GO is actually to provide sustainable mobility with convenience, practicality and affordability for everyday urban life. First, e.GO builds electric cars in a way that is very unique in the industry, with a very secure aluminium space frame, with a robust polymer exterior and a very flexible battery solution. All in order to meet the highest quality and security standards and to provide great driving pleasure to our customers. Second, with our unique microfactory concept, we reimagine the production by eliminating two of the most energy intensive and polluting steps of traditional production, the pressing and the painting. And third, actually currently we are the only independent EV manufacturer in Europe with a vehicle that is homologated in the EU, already in production and driving on the street. We are constantly looking for disruptive companies that help accelerate our own technology path and share e.GO's vision of a greener urban mobility. Our new model, the e-Wave X, will be completely equipped with Sibros technology to log data, to manage commands, and to update the vehicle software at any time, anywhere. This is the basis that we use to leverage all future connected services of urban mobility. So these services will bring an extra convenience to our customers, such as predictive maintenance, usage-based insurance, and also the ability to share our vehicles and to share rides. The collaboration is intended to deploy industry-leading connected mobility solutions into our new vehicle models, with the aim of positioning e.GO to take advantage of the data-driven transformation of urban mobility.